Hello, friends. Hope you are doing good. In today's lesson, let's do some conversation. The first one is between two patients. So let's get it started. What are you suffering from? I'm suffering from kidney trouble. What does the doctor say? He says that there are stones in the kidney. I think he will operate upon it. Is it a painful process? No, doctors remove it within a few minutes. Are you suffering from this very trouble? No, I am to be operated upon for the removal of gallstone. The doctor operating upon me is world famous. My doctor is also well known. On the whole, this hospital is good. That's why there is so much rush here. The treatment is expensive, yes, but as compared to facilities, it is not much. Poor like me cannot afford it. We should think of getting well and nothing else. I agree with you, but cannot avoid thinking. Conversation with a hairdresser. Sana, I don't like your long hair hanging loosely and touching waist. Yes, Leela, now wears her hair bobbed. This fashion is taking on among moderns. Then why do you not go to the hairdresser? What do you want, madam? I will have my hair bobbed, and I want a hairdo as well. I should like this cut style. Yes, with pleasure. Have you got a shampoo? Will you shampoo my hair? Yes, madam. How much do you charge for a haircut and a hairdo? Just 500 rupees, madam. Conversation with a guest. Good evening, Sam. Good evening, Larry. How are you? Now do sit down. You must be tired. Oh, I feel quite drained out. We are meeting after ages. Your visits are now few and far between. Shall I make tea, Larry? You want hot water, don't you? Sam, taste this dish. Larry, no thank you. Have just a little more, won't you? Don't stand on ceremony. Sam, it's your own house. Don't observe any formality. Larry, thank you for your love. Good night. Sam, bye. Bye. The next one is conversation with a tailor. What can I do for you? Make me a suit like this one, will you? Yes, with pleasure. We are specialists in suit making. Don't you forget to put in a good lining. Let me take measurements. Which style is your choice? I want some ultra-modern cut. I should very much like the cut of this suit. Yes, certainly. This suit needs to be taken in at the chest. Very well, sir. Now the suit is the tight fit, excellent fit. How do I look in this suit? Oh, what a swell you look in your new suit. This conversation between husband and wife. Husband, oh, how lovely these sweets are. How colorful. Wife, my mouth begins to water at the very sight of these sweets. Husband, but they aren't as good as they appear. It is cost us dear. Wife, yes, we have been taken in by the clever device of colors. Husband, it is rightly said, all that glitters is not gold. Wife, yes, much cry, little wool. Husband, ah, what a fool I am. Wife, now, it's no use crying over spilled milk, but let's beware of these flaming advertisements. The next one is conversation with a friend about cards. Ben, don't talk sharp. Let's play some game. Joe, will you play me at chess? Ben, no. What about playing bridge? Joe, I don't mind, but I can't play high. You're so clever at cards tricks. I can't say you're a card sharper. Ben, don't you worry. I don't like to combine card playing with wild gambling, Joe. So let's play the game. Ben, who will make the pack? Joe, give the cards a good shuffle. Ben, whose call is it? Ben, what was the last call? Joe, yes. Ben, how's well you play? You beat us all. So that's all for today. Hope to see you next time. Bye.